are you doing?
Bad after your last lesson.
No, we don't criticize.
Yes. What?
I do feel pumped and happy.
Well, I'm not feeling happy after your last lesson. Straight lining roundabouts, swerving around cyclists, pulling out in front of cars at roundabouts. What else was there? Meeting situations.
We won't do that today.
I come and pick her up half an hour earlier, go out of my way to pick her up from work, hope to give us a good final lesson. I felt like crying.
It's okay. Today we smile.
This wants to be full free this morning, yeah?
Yeah.
Come and pick her up 15 minutes early. Things you do for these learners and then you just dump on you. Shocking. Have any questions before we start? When you get in the car with the examiner, put the license in there, yeah?
Okay.
Fire away. This better be good.
Yeah, it will be.
I want you to read the road.
Read the road.
Yeah.
Left hand side, right hand side, near,
No,
middle,
you're not
far.
doing that. You're just bombing about like a boy racer.
No, I need to slow down, calm
What?
down. I can't calm down.
Well, what happened the other night?
After work, I think.
What?
It's okay. Let's not talk about that day.
No, I've been thinking about it for 2 days. Yeah. Final lesson before your driving test and you commit about 5 serious faults. Make yourself sure nice and comfortable. How many times have I told you if there's a car there in the right lane, what have you got to do?
You don't go.
What happens if it's over there?
If it's over there and it's blocking this car or it's too far away, then you go.
If it's in the left lane, you go.
And another thing is, like, if we're going left or straight ahead, we stick to the left lane.
And what have I told you when you come to roundabouts and you're going straight ahead? You have to look for what?
Straight ahead, you have to look for...
You have to look for road markers.
Road markers.
Now, if there's no road markers, which lane do you pick?
Left lane.
And then when you go around, where do you put your eyes?
Left. Stick to the left.
Not over there. Do you agree?
Yeah.
What was the other ones? I just couldn't even explain at the end because I was that disappointed. Just told to get out of the car, didn't I?
Yeah. So move over to the right lane. Pull over to the right lane.
You've got a cyclist, look. You're driving down the road, you see the cyclist, dead easy. What should you be, and this car's coming, what should you be doing now?
You stop a meter back.
No, you should be checking mirrors and position the car to the centre, it's safe to do so. Now, if it's only doing about 10, 15 miles an hour, how many car lengths should you be back from the cyclist?
Two car lengths.
2, 3 cars, like that. Keep it like that, and then when it's safe, what do?
Move.
Right, you just draw up like that and swerve round at the last second. Can you remember? What else was there?
Roundabout. I went on to the roundabout.
Yeah, I've explained that one already, haven't I? A meeting situation. You've got cars parked on this side of the road. You come round the corner. You should have been looking straight away. Can I fit my car in that space? If the answer's no, what should you be doing?
You wait. Yeah.
And if you're not sure, what should you be doing with your speed?
Slow down and stop.
Just a roll and fast. I want to give your brain more time to work it out. And what was the other one? This was very disappointing, this.
Oh yeah, lots. Pedestrian crossed and then I was going, but there was another pedestrian.
There's a pedestrian. Just going to drive under somebody, stand there. Go on, off you go. This better be good.
Ken, you gotta smile today, come on.
No.
It will happen, don't worry.
You've knocked my confidence.
It's okay.
Then when you're ready.
I need to just calm down and go gently, right?
Read the road.
Read the road.
Read a lovely smooth drive.
Yeah.
You just bombed about like a boy racer at times.
Gas.
Yeah?
Fighting point.
Very depressing. Now at the end of the road right, and then at the end of the road right again.
Move the car a bit forward.
Not again. See me. Just stop there. Put your handbrake on, putting you on. That looks a bit close to me. Put the clutch down.
Now?
Yeah.
Better?
That's better. That looks alright. What do you think that's different for? Why do you think it's too close? Too far away?
No?
Yeah.
And this feels
Why do you think that's too far away for? There wants to be a slight bend in your leg. You don't want to be like this, look. Yeah, there wants to be a slight bend. After watching that final mock test, I just wanted to try.
That's okay, we don't talk about the things that were wrong. We're gonna make it correct today.
Yeah, well, you gotta show that driving examiner how skillful you are. How much are you nervous?
Not a lot. I'm more nervous of disappointing you than failing the test. It's okay.
There's two roundabouts, you can turn right from the left lane.
It's this one and the one we're going to.
Very disappointing.
Ken, you gotta stop it, okay? Right? It's my test today. Just let's be optimistic. Whatever happens, happens. Like.
Well, you come back and fail, you're sacked. What does that mean, look?
You can't. It's a tiny exit. But
Right, and that's just constant. So why would you put an indicator on? If you put an indicator on, where would people think you're going?
that way. Yeah.
No, but pupils fail there because cars have pulled out in front of me. Looks like you're trying to cause an accident. So read the sign properly. Have you got that? Go on, if you go.
Come on! I'm trying my best, honestly. It's this one, right? No, that's. What am I thinking?
True, you wouldn't turn down there, which is the wrong side of the road. And you pull up in a convenient place on the left.
Yes, sir.
And then you just drive them when you feel ready. Shreya, where'd you turn?
There.
Did? Centre line, not in there.
People would stop there if you want to go right.
Yes,
Yeah.
so if you go right there, you'd be there. If you go left, you go there. Do you agree? Why do you think I've got this picture for?
Because people turn that way.
Try them when you're ready. Can't find them, grind them. I've done that myself, so I don't worry about it. Loving this. Absolutely.
We need to calm down.
How many times have I told you about that?
We got this!
Oh, God.
Come on, Ken, it's okay.
It's not.
We're humans.
Yeah, you have the potential to pass driving tests the first time. When the first day I met you, I said, first time pass. And then you've done nothing but kick me in the backside every lesson. No, well done, Shrey. I like that. Well done. That's excellent. Really good. Very impressive. Now we get a bit further back.
A bit more.
Look over your right shoulder at the curb. See it? That'll do. Yeah, really good technique. If they're watching these, learn on the left, watching you, you think, Bosh, he's good. Yeah? Do you think?
Ken's pupil.
Left. Good.
Come on, all I want in my whole life is you smile.
Right, we're going to do the emergency stop. I'm just going to raise my right hand child. Stop. Tell me what you're going to do.
Slam the brake to the floor.
No, not slam it. Just push it down firmly.
Push it down firmly and then...
At the very last second, stamp the clutch down. Have you
There's
got
a car
that?
at the back.
I know there's a car at the back. You've only got 12 minutes and we haven't done the emergency. She stopped. Now I need this done first time. Have you got that? Just come off your gas, put a signal on for left, slow right down to walking speed. What are you doing?
You just told me to emergency stop.
No, I didn't. I'm going to raise my right hand and shout. Just told you.
But was that good?
Jesus, there's a car behind us. What do you? I only want you to. I see you slow right down and put it into first because I was going to let that car get past and then we're going to do it. You agree?
But did you like that or not?
No. Put your handbrake on. Put neutral. Look what you've done. Put in neutral, will you? I'm going to leave that in the video. Watch my foot. Look. Watch. Not this.
What did I do?
Watch. Just watch my foot. Not this. Watch the foot. Look. Got it. Oh no. Cancel that signal. David. Oh, you get going. Move your right shoulder. Get the gas on. Lift the clutch down. Straight again. Right. Now push it down firmly. Have you got that?
To do it now?
No, no. I'm going to see a stop.
Okay.
Stop. No, the pedals went down together. Put your handbrake in neutral. Right, drive on when you're ready. Both, no, both shoulders as you're in the middle of the road. Right, going off your road. If you miss your blind spots, it's a fail. Have you got that? Sure, you put the clutch down too early. Put it down at the very last second. Have you got that? Go on, straight to gears. Right, you know when you're pushing your brake down?
Yeah.
You're pushing it halfway down and stop and then you
halfway?
push. Yes, and then you stop and then you're pushing it down again. Just push the brake to the floor. Just push it down. Just don't stop. Just keep pushing the brake till it stops. Have you got that? Right, concentrate. Stop. There you go. Thank God for that. Right.
I felt like a jerk.
That's what's supposed to drive on when you're ready. The left shoulder, you need your left and right. Have you got that? Take the next road to the right. What did you do different there?
I pushed it
right to the floor, but you didn't stamp it, did you? Take the next right. Next right. Don't you be cutting any corners either.
I have to go for a wee before I start the test. Okay?
No, come off your gas, put a signal on, let this car get past. Off your gas. Let it trickle. Don't brake, just let it drive itself. Right, cancel signal, more gas. Right, want another go, just push it to the floor. Have you got that? Straight again. Clutch at the last second. Don't stamp it, just push it to the floor.
One.
I'll tell you when. Okay, guys. Stop. That'll do for me. Perfect. Thank you. Drive on when you're ready. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Right. Well, it's time to go, Shreya. Time to meet the examiner. How are you feeling?
But I have to take a wee.
That says, how are you feeling?
And I'm just like, where's the toilet?
Now, if you take the second row to the left, that's the first one.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling
You come back with a
confident.
driver's license, second left, that's your first one.
Wow.
We've got to go in.
Wait, I need to drink some water.
Now we'll see, do you want the trader to come with you saying no? Because you left the lights on the move.
No, but you didn't ask.
Yeah, but you got that one on the move, didn't you?
We have.
Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done, Shreya.
Sacked. 2 serious faults.
2 serious faults, both for turning right. She's turned right to move into the right lane, that's protected, and then she's... Why did you go back to the left lane for? Why did you do that? Can you explain?
I've done the exact the roundabout. That one we did it before.
Yeah.
And I did it correct, and you were like, "Oh, you've done it correctly at that time."
So you've You've turned right,
I've turned right to go right.
and then you've left in the right lane, which was great. Then
I drifted up to the left lane.
you went back to the left lane. You said there was something on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
So can you explain how you done that? Hmm? Oh, Shreya, what happened?
It's okay.
Oh, goodness.
What's the second one?
You were turning right again where the bike shop is, for Langley Moor, under the bridge. You didn't, you kept into the left instead of going over to the right.
Oh, that bridge there.
Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that was.
We've done that before, haven't we? Yeah. You didn't position properly. Oh, Syria. I just want to cry. Oh dear.
Yeah, got the email.
Yeah.
You were unsuccessful. Oh, only 2 minor faults. That's good. 2 serious faults, 2 minor faults. Turning right and lane discipline.
Yeah.
Progress, undue hesitation. I think that was over there. I was headed here.
What was the other one? The minor fault?
Observation. One was junction observation. One was progress, undue hesitation. That's a lot of improvement. From like 10 minor faults to like 2. I think this one. I didn't realize this was serious fault. Lane discipline. It was this one.
This right turn here.
Yeah, we did it this morning.
Yeah, we done that one. But when you come here, you've got to get into the hatch markings.
But I know why I didn't do it. You know, you have to stop a meter back.
Yeah, but you've got to get in the hatch mark and see them. You didn't go on them.
No.
You just stopped on that road.
Yeah.
That one, yeah, I feel a lot there on tests. Oh, Shreya. Devastated. Absolutely devastated.
Damn. Everything else was very good.
Yeah, you've drove really well. You've only got 2 minor faults. That means a really good drive. Where do you want dropping off at?
City centre.
What about a cliff? Where's my backup light here?
It's okay, in a good way. I get to see you more. You get to see me as well. Again. It's like I'll give you let's take a week off and then we can have another lesson and then another test if I get a slot.
Take a month off.
Then I'll forget and then you'll have to do more hard work. What do you think I should do? No? Just cry.
Cry. I'm going to cry when you have to blame me for failing.